Staplow, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now approaching platform 0 terminates here.
This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here. All change, please.
The
Thank you for travelling with us today.
1646 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria is delayed by approximately Your attention, please. The 1643 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The train now standing at platform 0 is the 1644 Stepford Express. The train now approaching platform 0 terminates here. This train is the service from Lynn by the Sea. Your attention, please. The 1651 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled.
This is
due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Junction, Stepford Airport Parkway.
This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here.
Terminal 2.
All change, please.
This train is
Thank you for
formed of
travelling
4
with us today.
coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Your attention, please. The 1658 Metro service to Stepford UFC has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Welcome on board
The
this
1646 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria is delayed by approximately 14 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. The train now standing at platform 9 is the 1653 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Faymere, Westercoast, Milcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Stepford
The
Central.
1704 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 11 for the 1651 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria only. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 0 terminates here. This train is the service from Benton. Your attention, please. The 1658 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria.
Welcome on
has been
board this
cancelled.
Stepford Express service to Benton. The next station will be Benton.